Welcome to the TPC Desktop video series. In this video, we'll learn how to access the learning guides from within Traverse PC. I've opened up Traverse PC here and brought up the Task Manager. And if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, there's a section here called Getting Started. If you don't see that, you can just put your cursor down near the bottom or just collapse some of these other panels up here, and you'll see this Getting Started section. These are the learning guides. I want to just open up one of these. I'm going to left click it. Traverse PC goes out to our website, opens it up. You can see here that I have the opportunity to see this in Acrobat Reader if I want, or I can close that out and just access it directly here from Traverse PC. The introduction has a number of chapters in it, and I'm going to show you these chapters by clicking on this little ribbon bar up here. And here are all the chapters in this introduction. So if I want to say, tell me about this quick view technology that Traverse PC uses, I can just simply click it. Traverse PC will show me that introduction. Show me about surfaces. Okay, so Traverse PC is going to walk down through a number of topics and just kind of show you that they're available in Traverse PC, how you might access them, give you just a little bit of background. I'm not actually going to run through any steps in this introduction because it doesn't have a lot of steps. It just kind of exposes me to some of what Traverse PC does. So let's open up a different one here. Let's close this out. So let's do that again with some of the other learning guides. Let's open up the Geodetic learning guide. This time I will open it in Acrobat, just so we can see what that looks like. One of the great things about opening in Acrobat is that I can change the size of it, for instance, look at a couple of pages together, look at an actual size if I want, just kind of some neat tools in here. And then I have the same bookmarks here. So if I want to learn about using latitude and longitude in Traverse PC, just open up that chapter. Now this learning guide will have steps. So for instance, I'm invited as I get started to open a Learn Geodetics file that's provided with Traverse PC. And if I click back on Traverse PC and go to Open Survey, I can click on Sample Surveys, and I'll be able to find that Learn Geodetics. And once I have that open, I can click back on my learning guide and then start walking down through the steps here. So the first step in the latitude and longitude says working with geodetic positions in the point manager. So I've got some steps here for accessing geodetic positions in the point manager. I can drop down and the next task is understanding geodetic positions in the traverse view. The next one is importing and exporting geodetic positions. So the learning guides are great. They're kind of cookbook, we call it. They list the tasks related to that topic, and then each task gives you the steps to follow and a picture of what Traverse PC should look like. So here I can learn how to import geodetic positions and also how to export geodetic positions. I follow along with these steps using the survey that I just opened, the Learn Geodetics, and my screen should look like what's here in the learning guide. So the learning guides are just a great tool for me to jump in and say, hey, I want to learn about geodetics, and to go to that learning guide and do that. There's a learning guide that covers a lot of basic topics, drawing learning guide, import, export, geodetics, cadastral, plat checks, some neat stuff here in the learning guides in Traverse PC.